Have you ever dreamt of being your own boss, of setting your own hours and watching your business grow? In today's digital age, becoming an entrepreneur is more attainable than ever, and Amazon offers a particularly inviting platform to launch your venture. Selling on Amazon provides unparalleled access to a massive customer base, streamlined logistics, and powerful marketing tools, all within a trusted and user-friendly ecosystem. Whether you're looking to turn a passion project into a thriving business or simply seeking an additional income stream, Amazon presents an extraordinary opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about taking control, building something you can be proud of. And with the right approach, Amazon gives you the tools to do just that. In the following sections, we'll demystify the process of becoming a successful Amazon seller, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to take those first steps towards entrepreneurial success. So, let's dive in and explore the exciting world of Amazon selling. This could be you, working from anywhere on your own terms. Before we delve into the how-to, it's crucial to understand the sheer scale and reach of the Amazon marketplace. These numbers illustrate the immense potential that awaits you as a seller. Amazon boasts over 300 million active customer accounts worldwide, a staggering figure that highlights the platform's unparalleled reach. In the US alone, Amazon captures over 49% of all e-commerce sales, making it the undisputed leader in online retail. But it's not just about size, it's about engagement. Amazon Prime, the company's loyalty program, boasts over 200 million subscribers globally. These shoppers are known for their higher order frequency and spending compared to non-Prime members. These statistics paint a clear picture. Amazon provides a direct line to a massive and highly engaged customer base that's actively seeking out products like yours. By tapping into this marketplace, you're positioning yourself for maximum visibility and sales potential. The numbers speak for themselves. Amazon is a powerhouse of e-commerce, and as a seller, you can leverage this growth to your advantage. Now that we've established the why, let's move on to the how. Becoming an Amazon seller is straightforward. Let's break down the key steps. First, create your seller account on Amazon Seller Central, provide business info, and choose a selling plan. Next, list your products with compelling titles, descriptions, and high-quality images. Then, market and promote using Amazon's advertising platform and social media. Success requires planning, effort, and adaptability. Navigating the Amazon marketplace. Tips for success. Selling on Amazon is a journey with challenges and rewards. Here are a few invaluable tips. First, customer obsession. Amazon is built on customer centricity. Prioritize exceptional customer service and exceed expectations. Positive reviews and a stellar seller rating are crucial. Second, inventory management. Maintain optimal inventory levels to avoid stockouts. Utilize Amazon's fulfillment services or manage your own inventory diligently. Third, data-driven decisions. Leverage data insights for product selection, pricing, and marketing strategies. Finally, continuous optimization. Stay agile and adapt to changes. Regularly review your product listings and experiment with new strategies. Strive for excellence in customer service, and the rewards will follow. Section 5. Ready, set, sell. Embark on your Amazon journey. The world of Amazon selling awaits, filled with possibilities for growth, innovation, and financial independence. By embracing the entrepreneurial spirit, mastering the platform's tools, and adhering to the principles of customer obsession and continuous improvement, you can turn your aspirations into a thriving business. Remember, every successful Amazon seller started where you are now, with an idea, a passion, and a desire to succeed. Take that first step, embrace the journey, and watch as your entrepreneurial dreams take flight on the world's largest online marketplace. The opportunity is yours for the taking.